July 27th is the day we have to keep an eye out for. The Hinman deposition has been postponed to this date and we're sure something big is indeed coming. What is going to happen after the Hinman deposition on July 27th? What does it mean for XRP prices? Stay tuned with us and find out. But first, we are giving away $25 towards the end of the month to a random subscriber to help them start their XRP journey. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment your thoughts on XRP in the comment section. Welcome XRP Army. Let us grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribe. Throughout the pre-trial phase of the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit, the legal team of Ripple has proven that the SEC denied fair notice not just on XRP, but on cryptocurrencies as a whole. When Ripple filed an intention to present a fair notice defense, the SEC launched a series of desperate filings to stop Ripple, knowing that if the defense is permitted, the trial case against Ripple will be over before it starts. Key to the strategy is the deposition of former SEC Director of Corporation Finance William Hinman. The deposition of Hinman was ordered by Magistrate Judge Sarah Net Byrne, overruling the SEC. This is crucial because Hinman gave a speech in June 2018, which has gathered a lot of criticism. This speech still appears on the SEC website, and in it Hinman declares that Ethereum's digital token Ether is not a security despite having been launched in an initial coin offering in 2014. Hinman said in the speech that based on his understanding of the Ethereum network and its decentralized structure, the current offers and sales of Ether are not securities transactions. The SEC denied their responsibility for the speech. They claimed that the speech solely reflected Hinman's personal views and was not market guidance. The SEC also argued that Hinman's deposition would create a precedent by deterring other lawyers from joining public servant jobs. In retaliation, Net Byrne argued that this is not a run-of-the-mill SEC enforcement case. She observed that Hinman's deposition will open the floodgates for all government officials who have spoken about securities or crypto. She also acknowledged the importance of the case by saying that the case involves significant policy decisions in our markets. The amount of controversy is substantial and the public's interest in this case is significant. The SEC legal team would take another hit due to a recent letter on a settlement with crypto exchange CoinSchedule from SEC Commissioners Pierce and Roisman. Concluding from the settlement, they wrote, "There is a decided lack of clarity for market participants around the application of the securities laws to digital assets and their trading. The commissioners are essentially whistleblowers from inside the SEC's top echelons, as they declared that the SEC does not provide clear guidance and fair notice on digital assets." This is what the attorney representing Ripple Labs, John E. Deaton, thinks about this new turn of events. Judging by the overall movement of the case, the fair notice defense that Ripple filed for would be granted. This would mean that the SEC will be put on trial in what could be the cryptocurrency trial of the century. The SEC's legal team at this point might know that Hinman's answers to Ripple's questions could put an end to their case and to their credibility as an agency. It would bring forth a ruling that could bring the SEC's lie of fair notice to an end. There's clear evidence that XRP is not a security as the SEC alleged it to be. It has a very clear function as a bridge currency. It does not double up as a store of value and is exactly why it is not a security. Ripple has argued that the SEC cannot regulate XRP as a security because it is a medium of exchange used for cross-border and other transactions. The deposition may add more weight to Ripple's claim that the XRP token is not a security. If there is no appeal from the SEC, Ripple can demand Hinman to testify about the reasoning behind his decision on Ether at the time and then proceed to apply that same rationale to XRP. The relevance of Ripple is only increasing as each day passes. Ripple allows exchanges for a variety of fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and even gold. Transactions on this blockchain are confirmed in around 4 to 5 seconds at a nominal cost when compared to that of Bitcoin's blockchain, which could take minutes or hours to confirm a transaction. The Ripple network has a larger institutional market adoption than most other crypto networks. Without a doubt, Ripple Labs is already a big deal now. XRP indeed has a bright future. The environmental damage that Bitcoin is causing through mining is leading to a great loss in its value. Bitcoin's future is in serious doubt if it does not switch to a more sustainable method of circulation. It is probably not going to help Bitcoin even with the artificial scarcity it has created. Once the lawsuit is over, the probability of XRP overtaking Ethereum in value increases. And if that happens, we can safely assume that it is going to surpass Bitcoin as well. Ripple's attorney in the lawsuit, John E. Deaton, receives the developments in the case as a significant victory for Ripple. He made this clear in his Twitter handle while replying to a news article by Cointelegraph. The fact that Cointelegraph is downplaying the significance of this development is particularly notable. A year ago, the website had published an article titled "Is XRP a Security?" We may never know. In April of 2020, the SEC published the Framework for Investment Contract Analysis of Digital Assets. This publication draws a whole lot of its parameters from Hinman's now infamous 2018 speech, the site reports. Now we can confirm without a doubt that the SEC had been lying through its teeth when it said that the speech was not market guidance but merely Hinman's personal take on digital assets transactions. At the time this video was created on July 21st, the value of XRP was at 55.9814 cents. This is significantly lower than what its value was during the last week. XRP had fallen below the $1 mark during the first week of June. After that it hasn't risen above that value. The price had oscillated within the 80 cents range during the initial weeks of June. When Judge Sarah Net Byrne allowed an extension on the case until October upon SEC appeal, the value of XRP plummeted. With the lawsuit dragging on, XRP bulls slowly started pulling away from trying to bring up the floor price. The month of July began with XRP rising and falling within the 60 cents range. On the 16th of this month, the price fell below the 59-cent support level. After the 17th of July, Ripple's crypto has not been able to rise above the 50 cents range. As of 21st July, the price had gone up by 6.21% in 24 hours. XRP has a total market cap of $56.05 billion at the moment. Cointelegraph predicts that the bull market would likely defend the 50 cents level aggressively. If buyers push the price back above 63 cents, it will indicate the start of a relief rally that may push the XRP price above 70 cents. But if sellers lower the price below the 50 cent support, the bearish trend would accelerate and the value may slide to 45 cents. If this level also could not be held, the drop in price could extend to the next support at 40 cents. Do you own XRP? Let us know in the comments down below. And kindly note that prices of cryptos frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, the value of XRP might have changed to a whole different one. The information provided in this video does not act as investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or advice of any other sort, and you should not treat any of the content as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own research and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. If you would like to know more about XRP, we have got 2 more videos waiting for you on the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe to us and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching till the end. See you in the next video, my friend.